Hi guys, welcome to my channel Kriya. So in today's video I'm going to share with you the review of Vicco Turmeric WSO cream, skin cream. You get 60-gram product for 138 rupees. So without any further ado, let's get into the review of this one. So let's go into the product description, guys. What they are saying is that this is an Ayurvedic medicine which prevents and cures skin infections, boils, pimples and acne. It helps to cure wounds and burns. It nourishes the skin and helps to maintain its tonal value. So that is a description that they mentioned on the packaging of this product itself. So let's go into the packaging. So we get it in a white and turmeric cardboard box on which they have mentioned the description of the product, manufacturing date, expiry date, ingredient list. I think it's not a complete ingredient list, and the other thing is it's cruelty free and vegan product. And inside this cardboard packaging we will be getting the actual product in a tube pack. We get a yellow colored screw cap which after opening we will be getting the actual product. So coming to the color and texture of this product, guys, we get it in a creamy like consistency, and the color is yellow color. So if you have too fair skin, then it may stain your face, but if you are like a medium to dark color complexion, then it's not gonna stain your skin. Coming to my personal experience, I have been using it twice a day, morning and night after washing my face, and it makes my skin matte. Like, it gives matte finishing on your skin. So if you have oily and combination skin, you will be definitely liking this product. And the other thing is, I didn't like the fragrance of this cream because it's too strong. And the next thing is, it is cancelling my uneven skin tone. I have pigmentation around my mouth which is increasing day by day. I have stopped using vitamin C on my skin, guys, and after that my pigmentation is coming back gradually, but this thing is fighting with that pigmentation and making my skin fairer, and also it's removing those acne and pimple scars as well. So yeah, it's a really useful product. So now let's go into the pros and cons of this one. Coming to the first pro, it's easily available, and second pro, it's inexpensive product, and the third pro is they have used a turmeric, which is really great if you have a lot of facial hair. And the fourth pro is the packaging is nice, sleek and classy. It's not too fancy. It's really good and travel friendly. And fifth pro is it actually fades away the pimple scars. And sixth pro is it also makes your skin fairer and also removes the uneven skin tone that is present on your skin. And the seventh pro is it gives matte finishing on your skin, so it's really great for summers. And if you have oily and combination skin, you'll be loving this product. So coming to the cons of this product, guys, first con is the fragrance is too strong. So that's the first con. And second con is if you have too fair skin, then it may stain your face. Third con is it didn't have SPF in it. And fourth con is I think it's not a complete ingredient list that I have mentioned on the packaging. I don't know, they just mentioned that contains extract of turmeric in a non-greasy base. Is that the complete? I don't know, I'm seriously not understanding that. So yeah, they said that it's just it contains extract. I think it's a complete ingredient list. Maybe they have just used turmeric in it, I don't know, but yeah. So these are the pros and cons. I'll definitely be recommending this product. I'll be repurchasing it again because it's really fading those marks that are present on my skin, and it's like a great primer on my face. I'm applying it before applying makeup, and it's making my makeup last longer. So yeah, I love this product. So I'll be definitely repurchasing it again, and I'll be recommending it to you as well. But before applying it, make sure to do patch test and then apply it entirely on your face or on any other part of your body. So yes, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video, Sunshine. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.